Denmark has a proud tradition concerning design and innovation. Danish design and creativity is recognized as an exclusive brand all over the world. Every day, new ideas are born and old solutions are improved.
Doing things right is actually good business.
I think what we need to do is to get more over the edge about telling about all these fantastic things that's happening here.
New technology is not only a matter of, supporting the efficient life, it's also a matter of supporting life in all its aspects. Wood is a wonderful material.
And it can be used in surprising new ways. It's all up to the creative mind of the designer.
They take wood, they make a lamination of it, and they disintegrate the wood when it's very thin.
But how does it relate to my business? How can I use these concepts or new technology?
What's happening in new materials can open up completely to new products.
But how are we going to make money out of it?
The whole process has to be innovative and smart.
Oh, okay, this is quite interesting, we can see that.
The Danes are investing all their power in the battle for innovation and development. They want to invent the future. But on what grounds are this Danish tradition built? And does it really make a difference? The creative elite from not only Denmark, but also other parts of Europe, met at the Smartspace conference. The goal was to inspire and to be inspired.
So what is actually producible?
Scientists.
I fucked up.
Producers.
All good ideas come when you're not thinking.
And designers were listening to reports from some of the most successful members of the global design industry. New thoughts were introduced.
I think it's important to combine new materials, new technologies and a sustainable approach.
New ideas and inventions were displayed at the Smartspace exhibition. In a very unusual workshop, all the participants were challenged to invent new products based on the most current know-how, new materials and innovative processes.
I think sometimes it's much more important to ask the right questions as opposed to find a solution.
The best enemy for innovation is like rules.
If you ask the participants at the Smartspace conference about the reason for the Danish design success, their answer will most likely be the radical curiosity that saturates everyone in the business.
How do I work with this tomorrow?
There are question marks everywhere, but this is not the complete answer. The climate crisis is a serious threat to the future of our planet. Global warming and careless pollution of our world are matters that concern the Danish designers and scientists.
For sure, the way we define ourselves is that we are here as ethical capitalists.
Something needs to be done. Cradle to Cradle is a worldwide concept. A new way of thinking.
There's a lot of talk about sustainability these days. And by sustainability, we often talk about how to minimize damage. We've used 30 years to try to do less bad. We don't want to do that anymore. No matter how good I do, it's still bad. We talk about upcycling instead. How can we actually cleanse our products? It's about doing good.
But it's not only the designers who want to change things. Collaboration between all parts of the game is a very important issue.
Bringing people like scientists and engineers into the picture is very crucial for the future of design.
There's a big potential in designers actually talking together with technologists.
Ideally, a new product is based around a collaboration.
We bring together people from very different disciplines like computer science, engineering, design and architecture, sociology.
We need to come together.
The designer senses his time and understands the consumer much better. User-driven innovation is also a well-known concept in Denmark. The industry is analysing user behaviour, and the designers are living with the natives. New knowledge about the consumer contributes to the design process. User-driven innovation brings trustworthy knowledge into the process and gives the investors the necessary courage to walk in new directions.
Finally, we are getting there.
And everyone wants to affect the agenda dictated by the climate crisis. We can for sure expect major inventions from the wood and furniture industry of Denmark in the years to come.